In a small town in the Chinese province of Fujian, a boy named Lucio Tan was born into family with, with little to wealth. Life was tough, and they had little more than mere grief and resilience to rely on. At the age of 10, Lucio family moved to the Philippines and research of better life. They settled in Cebu, where young Lucio Tan faced the hardest of preventing. He attend the school but not in shoes like that other kid. He walked barefoot with nothing but his keeping him going. Disappeared their early hardship. Lucio was determined to make something of his life. His parents could afford to send him to college, so Lucio Tan worked various odd jobs to fund his education. One of the most pivotal moments in his early life was when he got a job as a janitor in tobacco factory. It was glamorous, but it gave him a chance to learn the trading inspired out. Soon thought he was promoted to a tobacco cooking, learned the science behind blending tobacco for cigarettes. It was there that Lucio found his first business opportunity. In 1966 was the little saving he had accumulated. Lucio took a risk. He started his own tobacco company, Fortune Tobacco Corporation. The industry was competitive, but Lucio Tan understanding of the tobacco business, worked, he hard work, and his sharp instinct set him apart. His gambling paid off. Fortune Tobacco soon became the dominant player in the Philippines market. But Lucio Tan was one of settle his success in tobacco industry led him to expand into new ven- venture. In the 1970s, he ventured into banking, purchasing the struggling General Bank and Trust, which he later renamed Alliance Banking Corporation. By 1980s, already he was already forced to be with entering the brewing industry with Asia Brewery competing head to head with the mighty San Miguel. But he must education move come